newest update. You saw some clips. Today is 20th April, Saturday. So I finished Hydroinsulation. You saw some clips with my phone and some pictures. I hope we'll see how I'll make this part of video. And this is it. I finished the Hydroinsulation. You saw how it was before. Bunch of 3 trenches and the leaves and everything, and those roof tiles on the edge. I removed them and I went with Hydroinsulation over whole concrete. Only I didn't have a time on the edge here and where the solar panel is, and here, but everything else I did. So I hope no water, maybe even today. You see it's cloudy, maybe even today or tomorrow rain is very possible, so I hope it won't go through my through my concrete floor. And there was a bunch of those plants that go over and hold for buildings, I don't know the words, and those 3 trenches I cut so I can come here, up here. So this is newest update. I filmed you a little bit of preparing Hydroinsulation, and I add some pictures before and after, how the concrete ceiling roof looked like before and after. And today I'm going to shopping, probably going to Orebić and maybe even to Dubrovnik. This is my clothes is still drying from the roof leaking. That's why yesterday I didn't even film much. I just spent whole day applying Hydroinsulation. That's like it. Here I didn't change a lot, just table, and I put it in the same place, and here not a lot. So yesterday it was mainly solar system and some tools. It was mainly Hydroinsulation for the roof. Yeah, and today I will try to find steel pipes, and I have a plan to put them like this on the roof, on the ceiling, and wooden tiles on those steel pipes to hold if something drops from ceiling. And I need paint to paint the walls, although first I need to clean them. And that would be it. If I manage to do this, it would be great. I can go home after that, because then I will have ceiling, I will have white painted walls and protected roof and solar power, electricity and doors and windows, so I will have everything for basic living. Yeah, and beside, and these are some pipes, but are not, I want rectangle ones, so like 6 by 4 or 5 by 3 centimeters. We'll see if I find them. Yeah, and I need 200 or 300 liters storage for raindrops, rainwater. That's the plan for today, and maybe I eat something and drink a coffee or something. So today is like scouting where the shops are, where I can buy anything, and maybe a little bit of the rest. And if I don't find steel or iron shop that has parts from iron, then I don't know, then I will probably also have to go home. Although I would like to do at least two mountain peaks, 2 hikes before going home to Krapina, Zagori. I hope I will be able to do it. Okay, that's a little update, and now let's go to a trip. Maybe there will be some clips or some pictures now. Let's go.